think the mic's working out great. I'm trying to keep my distance from it. Man, these things are beautiful. Shout out to BJ for getting these to me. Still think the Drake shoes are made better, but I'll show you guys a little bit more of that when we do the unboxing and the comparisons. But that's it. Make sure you thumbs up, subscribe. But I think wearing white on white Air Force Ones is like such a cheat code because you can just throw them on and they just work with whatever you're wearing.
And they went over how much it would be for your stay?
Yes.
It's important.
It is. Okay. Peace and love, guys. Peace and love. Back out here on the streets, you know how I do. And I'm still filming in this log. I didn't know I could film front facing with this footage, so we'll see how it is. I went with the size 10 with these best in the hands, and it's actually really, really nice. I think I might go back to size US 10. I might have to because I don't know if my feet are just getting fatter or what. And I'm not using that wireless mic right now. Where's the camera? I'm not using this wireless mic because I don't know, it works, but there's just something about the sound that I'm just not 100% satisfied with. This isn't jaywalking, is it? We'll talk about the shoes here a little bit more. I just kind of want to get like some city street stuff. You know how I do. And I'm out. No coffee. Still haven't figured out a way to like mount this to the camera. Like this is plugged up right now. Like all the footage is going to this right now. All the footage is going to this. Like it's plugged up right now. So I tried to figure a way to Velcro it, but Velcro doesn't stick to this rubber. So I'm addicted to shooting this way. Like I just love it. It looks so good. I hope this front facing camera shit works out too. Because when I'm in Hawaii, ooh, shoes are dope, man. They're just like that color blocking that I really, really like. There's like two other colorways, like maybe a red or burgundy pair, red, and there's a blue pair, like the Blue Moons. Definitely want to get those, so we'll see. That's it though, guys. It's time for me to pack it up, go home. I think the last videos I'm gonna do before I head out is not today, but just like head out of state. I'm gonna do some like boring backyard stuff. I love coming out here in the streets because it gets me like, for one, it gets me out the house, and two, it's just like it's so good to like walk and see the city and challenge yourself with different shots and stuff like that. You know what I'm talking about. It's just good. It's already close to 6, 7, whatever. All right, let's just go to the unboxing and all that stuff, guys. All right, peace, love, and light. I'll catch you on the next one. All right, let's go through the best hand in the game, Clay Greens. And these are amazing shoes. The whole pack is really, really nice. And I remember doing the yellow pair about a year ago. And I want all of them because I think this is one of the best packs, I guess. It's very, very like a low-key, underrated, not many people know about the pack. It is gorgeous. Let me find a picture real quick. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Like, look at those. Did the yellow ones. I really, really want the red ones and the blue ones. So I just might end up with both those pairs probably close to the end of the year, maybe next year. But the Clay Greens, very, very nice colorway. This is like my favorite color blocking style for Jordan 1s. This in like the bread colorway. So these were perfect. And like I mentioned before, I did go with a US size 10. And I noticed that all Jordan 1s, not all of them are equal, not all of them are perfect. And sometimes a 9.5 feels outstanding. Sometimes a size 10 feels outstanding. I can't really gauge the reason why. I just know all shoes are cut differently. But sometimes a 10 is too big and sometimes it's not. I really don't know, so I'm going to keep experimenting with that. But these felt good in a size 10. And on a material side of things, I think that these may be a little bit more transitional as far as the suede part. I'm not really sure on that. I've never had like a retail pair in hand, but I do remember that yellow pair that I had was really, really good, really transitional, but I don't think it matters. There's the insole of the sneaker. That's pretty cool. I could not get the insole out. I don't really like taking it out, but I tried, and it's glued in there really, really good. But the whole shoe, it's got like a classic, I don't even know if it's classic. It has just like this not overdone, it's like and the whole theme comes from Jordan and his gambling habit. So they gave him like a 4 or 5 shoe pack just off his gambling habit. I guess he's the best. And, they say Jordan was like, he took basketball just as, serious as his like paper bag games, and everything he did was like ultra competitive. So this is just like an offshoot or another concept of his mentality. It's kind of like the first Mamba mentality, just a little bit more savage, because Jordan was just, people hated him on court. People feared him on court. They didn't really hate him. They feared him. And I also bet that Jordan, like actual Michael Jeffrey Jordan, he's probably never even wore any of these sneakers in this whole pack. Like, he just has them make them. I doubt Jordan actually wears all these billions of flavors of Air Jordan 1s. I really highly doubt it. Jordan likes to wear the Team Jordans and all that weird stuff. I don't know. But that's it, guys. I'll catch you on another one. Peace, love, and light. I'm trying to wrap these next few videos up before I hit the water and head over to Hawaii. And we'll see how that goes. But peace, love, and light, guys. I'm out. We'll catch you on the next one. You know how we do. 1.